Hey everyone, welcome to another Jeff the IT Guy video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the 12.9 inch 2020 iPad Pro, as well as the iPad Smart Keyboard Folio. And so, I am looking at new ways to reduce costs for the business that I work for. And so since I'm the director of IT, I get to look at different technologies and evaluate what will meet the needs of our employees at the most effective and efficient cost. And so myself and the VP of Operations are going to be taking a look at this iPad Pro, and we're going to see if this will work for our leadership team. And that means any of the directors, those who are C-levels and higher. And so this is going to serve a dual purpose, which is why we have the keyboard. We're going to see if this will replace the MacBook Pros that we actually use. And so a MacBook Pro is a lot of power, and the ones we purchase are around $2,000. And so this host setup here is roughly around $1,200. And so it would save $800 per device. We're also going to be looking to see if these can go to different levels, and we're also going to be comparing these against the MacBook Airs. And so I'm doing this unboxing to show you all this journey of how I'm going to use these and evaluate them for my business, in case anyone else is interested in how they can evaluate it for their business. And so the first thing we're going to unbox is the iPad Smart Keyboard Folio. This new packaging is awesome. It comes with this nice little rip tab here so that you can get all of your rocks off, and it just, opens really nicely. You got some plastic there, some cellophane. This is as with all of Apple products, they do have nice packaging. That's why they cost so much, because they're spending all of their money on R&D for their packaging. And so with everything, you've got this nice little pull tab, and it just opens right up. And so I've used quite a few of these folios before, not the Apple version, but from some other vendors, some third-party vendors. And as you can see, it comes with a nice designed in Apple in here, this insert to protect it, to keep it nice. And I will say this is a pretty nice folio. I mean, this is actually a pretty nice. I'm going to set this aside, and we're just going to take a look at it right now. Let me clean up some of this here product. Keep my boxes in nice tip-top shape. So here it is. It's got the Apple logo on the back. I got mine in black or slate, I believe is what they call it. Inside is nice and soft, and here is the actual keyboard. Not real for sure how I feel about this keyboard so far. We'll have to do a review on it. I'm going to compare it though to my Magic keyboard from 2011, and it's pretty close. They're actually pretty close, to be honest, in their size, but the feel is quite different. So we'll just have to try it out. But I'm going to set it to the side, and let's unbox this bad boy, the iPad Pro. This is the 256 gig version, I think, or 128. I can't remember. It's the 128 gigabyte model. This is the base model 12.9 inch. So as with the Smart Folio, we've got this pull tab, so we'll just pull that and we will get started unboxing this. I am quite excited. Like I said, I've never had one. I don't even know if I've ever played with one in the store. I don't go into the Apple store because I am impulsive, and I really enjoy having a savings account. So it's an awesome box. As you can see, it's very vibrant. It's great. And here it is. Got this pull tab here. And you just pull it from the back, like so, and pop it right off. I am going to be 100% honest. I'm almost nervous to touch this thing. to be honest. I mean, this is very light. It is extremely light. As you can see, it's got a USB-C on the bottom, which is awesome because you can use dongles with it. Get away from that lightning connector. Speakers on this side is here, and there are speakers on the top. On the left side of it, there is nothing. And on the right side of it, you have your volume up and down, and then on the top, you've got speakers and the power button. On the back, we have our 2 cameras as well as a LiDAR sensor. And here it is. I do like that they've gone away from the traditional iPad. So if we look at the iPad Air real quick, there'll be a video coming on this as well. If we look at the iPad Air, it's got huge bezels. I like the fact that the iPad Pro has gotten rid of those. That is fantastic. So let's go ahead and see what's in the rest of the box. So in the rest of the box, we've got our Designed by Apple in California packet here. This is going to contain some user instructions and my guess is some stickers. Maybe not. Oh yes, there are some stickers. They're down in there. I'm not going to go in there and get it. I don't care. So, there's that. USB-C charger. This brick is larger than what it is for the iPad Air and the base model iPad. It's actually about the size of the one for the Macbook Air, which is kind of funny. But here's the charger, and here is the charging cable, and it is USB-C or Thunderbolt, whatever you want to call it, which is awesome because, like I said, you can use dongles and you can also connect it to a dock, which is fun, fun, fun. So that's all that's in the box. We'll take that out and let's put it in our handy dandy keyboard and hopefully not destroy it on the first day. All right, so camera's back here. Oh, it's just magnetized. That's cool. That's cool. Look at it now. Looky there. It's pretty neat. So it's magnetized on the back. It's magnetized on the front. And then this is some pretty strong magnets, let me tell you. It's got some strong magnets in there. Closes up, keeps it protected. It's not a whole lot of protection. If it was me, I'd want an otter box or something massive, maybe concrete to put around it. That's what it looks like. It's nice and thin. Looks like a book. Let's power it on. So, give us something fancy. It's not want to power on. It might be dead. There it goes. Just got to hold it in there a little bit. It's a good looking thing here. I'm really digging this. I hope this is going to work out for us. Ooh, that's a nice looking display. Hola. I can't read what it says at the bottom. I'm sure it says swipe up. Hello, this is German. Swipe up, get to choose all your stuff and start it. Woo! Let's look at a comparison between this and the MacBook Air. So here is the MacBook, or not the MacBook, but the iPad Pro. And then we've got the MacBook Air here. So as you can see, roughly the same size, which is wild. You can't see the thickness, I don't think, but I'm going to turn this around so that we can. We'll look at the thickness here. As you can see, they're about as thick almost. I wish I had a micrometer. I would measure them, but they're actually pretty close. And so this has been the unboxing of the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, as well as the iPad Smart Keyboard Folio. If you like this sort of stuff, seeing unboxings and tech and reviews and seeing how maybe you can use it in your professional life, you know, or for your business or things like that, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button that'll pop up on the screen. Leave a like and a comment. Tell me what you think. Tell me in the comments, I got a question for you. Tell me, what do you think my findings will be to see if we can replace our MacBook Pros with this iPad Pro. All right, so go ahead and answer that and tell me what you think will happen. And also in the future, for some upcoming videos, we're going to be looking at the iPad Pro versus the MacBook Air. And we're also going to take a look at the iPad Air review, see how it's doing. And then we might compare all the iPads. The iPad base model versus the Air versus the Pro. We might get real wild with it here. So I thank you all for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And stay tuned for some more great content coming your way. See ya!